Welcome to the enchanting world of Monkey Banana Beginnings. Join Monkey Banana on an extraordinary adventure in the jungle where curiosity leads to magical discoveries. When a magical banana suit appears, Monkey Banana gains the ability to understand and help his animal friends. They need his help to communicate their struggles to humans who are threatening their homes. This delightful story not only entertains, but also inspires important conversations about our relationship with nature and the importance of protecting our environment. Perfect for children aged 3 to 7, Monkey Banana Beginnings is a wonderful addition to any story time, fostering a love for reading and learning. Get your copy today and let the adventure begin.